Hare Krishna. So, on this auspicious 125th anniversary of Srila Prabhupada's appearance day on this planet, so I like to give my offering on one of the 7 purposes of ISKCON that Prabhupada has established. So, I would be giving offering on Prabhupada's books, how Prabhupada is distributing Prabhupada books, and reading the books is very essential part of our life. So, in one of my early days of Krishna consciousness, I attended one of the camp by one senior disciple of Prabhupada who is a sannyasi. So he was questioning everybody in the audience while giving a lecture that how many of you became devotees by reading Prabhupada books? And some of the devotees raised their hands saying that, oh, we came to Krishna consciousness by reading Prabhupada books. And then he asked another question, how many of you became devotees by other means, not by reading Prabhupada books, by other means through other preaching programs? And then other devotees raised their hands saying that, we got connected through other programs, other preaching programs apart from Prabhupada books. Then he asked a question, how many of you are devotees? And nobody raised their hands. Then he asked another question, how can we become devotees without reading Prabhupada books? So Prabhupada books are actually great benediction for the mankind of modern age, especially in this Kali Yuga. So it's a great benediction that Prabhupada has given us by leaving behind his books. If we see after Prabhupada's appearance and after Prabhupada's departure to the spiritual world, one of the most valuable treasure that Prabhupada has left with us is his books, especially Bhagavad Gita, Srimad Bhagavatam and Chaitanya Charitamrita. These are valuable treasures that Prabhupada has given us. So, if we want to become devotees and if we want to steadily practice devotion service, personally I feel that reading Prabhupada books is a very essential part of my spiritual practice. This also I have experienced personally when we go out for distribution in a Sankirtan bus party, where we distribute books for various villages. So, there we have seen the villagers who have read Prabhupada books, although they are not connected to any centers or any ISKCON temples or any preaching programs, but they just start chanting Hare Krishna by reading Prabhupada books. Just by reading Prabhupada books, they start their devotional service. Once a devotee asked Prabhupada, there are so many people in this world, they are suffering, and many are not your disciples, but they get your books. They get your books, they read your books, but they are not initiated by you. Then Prabhupada said, anybody who reads my books is initiated into the process. So that is the power of potency of Prabhupada's books. So I personally experienced one instance where we are distributing books in a village. So there was an old man of 60 years old. So he came to the stall with utter eagerness asking for Srimad Bhagavatam set. And we showed him the Bhagavatam set, we said, we are giving for little concession for villages. He said, no, it doesn't matter, concession doesn't matter for me. I can pay whatever price it is required to buy this Srimad Bhagavatam set. He said, he has read Prabhupada's Bhagavad Gita as it is 14 times. He read Bhagavad Gita 14 times, as it is Bhagavad Gita 14 times he has read. And he was very eager to read Srimad Bhagavatam. Whatever the price was, he was ready to take it. This happened during the lockdown, especially during this COVID crisis. Still he was eager. He said he was eager to purchase his Bhagavatam set at Pandharpur. But his eagerness was so much that somehow Lord has arranged it, that we just stopped our bus near his house and he came out. He eagerly took Bhagavatam set. He said, whatever the price may be, I am ready to take this Bhagavatam set at any cost. So as Prabhupada said very nicely, anybody who reads Bhagavad Gita, he has to read Bhagavatam. So this I have practically experienced in villages, that anybody who reads Prabhupada's Bhagavad Gita several times, at least one time, he becomes very eager to read Srimad Bhagavatam. That is the potency of Prabhupada's books. So Prabhupada said, if you want to please me, distribute my books, and if you want to know me, read my books. So these two aspects of Prabhupada's books is very important for every ISKCON devotee. Personally, I feel greatly blessed to be associated with these two aspects of Prabhupada books. So we can see the presence of Prabhupada in his books. Prabhupada says, these purports are my devotional ecstasies. And these purports are greatest protection for all of us against the alluring temptations offered by Maya, especially in this degrading age of Kali Yuga, in this post-modern age. The greatest blessings for all of us that by reading Prabhupada books, we remain Krishna conscious and our intelligence becomes very stout and strong, that our conviction becomes so strong that we are able to present Krishna consciousness in a very appealing way to the modern people, and also protect ourselves against various arguments offered by the atheistic and impersonistic people. So that's why personally I feel that reading Prabhupada books and distributing books is a very important aspect of our Krishna conscious life. So I thank all the devotees for giving this opportunity to render some service to Prabhupada by distributing his books and by reading his books, and also trying to practically apply what Prabhupada mentions in his books. So I thank all the devotees for this opportunity, for giving opportunity that is being given on this 125th anniversary of Srila Prabhupada's appearance day. Thank you very much. Jai Srila Prabhupada.